Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video. Today it's a rainy day and I'm here in Switzerland at Auto Bild. You can check them out on the internet. They have amazing cars, new cars, great price. Yeah, I will leave the link in the description. You can check them out. It's a lot of rain, but I make this sacrifice for you to make this test drive today with the new Hyundai i30 N. You will love it. Just stick with me, guys. If you're new here, click the subscribe button to see the newest car on the market and all the news from car industry. Here is the car, the brand new Hyundai i30. The test drive, the feedbacks, you will see it in the moment, in the next minute. You will love the car. Before we go forward, let me show you the information of the car. Here you have the information, 1.5 liter TGDI. We have the new 7-gear shifter automatic gearbox that comes with the new i30. It's really impressive for a sport car. The price of the car, 36,500, but you have a 5,000 discount. Amazing. And the price will be 31,500, around $30,000. 160 horsepower, 250 free Newton meter, all the options that comes with the car. You can read it right here. I'm not going to go into details, but if you want to ask about the car, if you want to see the price, go online, parisautomobil.ch, and you can check them out. By the way, something that I want to tell you, I have a full review with this car. Check out on my channel. Then I will go in every single detail, the space, the details, and all that stuff. There you can see all the information about the storage space, about every single element of this car. So check out on my channel the other review with the full review. But until then, let's go and let's test drive the car. Alright guys, so here is the car, the new i30 N, and yeah, let's drive it, guys. Here is the key. By the way, we have a classic key. Actually, we don't have a start engine button. You have to pull the key right here. The fact that I notice from the review, I make a review with the car, I see the car before, so I can give you a few information before you see it. If you didn't see it yet, check out on my channel. I have the full review with this new i30 N. And then I like the insulation of the car. I will start the engine right now. The blind spot technology come with the car. The new multimedia system, it's a huge screen with great resolution. Also, we have the new cockpit right here. It's amazing, guys. If you want to see it, go on my other video with full review and you can see it there. We start the engine already and it's so silent. This engine, it's amazingly silent. That's something that I noticed before. And also you have a great visibility. Those N seats, sport seats, are awesome. Even if they are not leather, they are really comfortable and I like them. I sit super well in them and I like that very much. The car comes with auto hold, electronic handbrake. We have the new automatic gear shifter with 7-gear dual clutch. And I see the car on the I see it on the track and it's amazing. I see that the car did a great job. I will turn off this because I don't need it. You can also adjust the steering wheel manually the way you want it. I put it in the perfect position. I like the steering wheel. We have clappers, pedals to change the gear manually if you want to. It's perfect. Now I start the car before to make it a little bit warmer for you, and now we will drive the car a little bit and then I will give you my impression. So if you go in the reverse, the car of course comes with a reverse camera. You can see it right here. It has 4 parking sensors in the front, 4 parking sensors in the back, so you have a perfect visibility when you want to park the car. Now put it in the drive. It's super simple to drive, and then the car, it's on right now. Let me put this on the automatic lights. just on auto. The car comes with xenon lights. It doesn't have LED light. I wish it was coming with an LED light, but also all about that, check out my other full review. Also, you can adjust the seats manually in every position you want, so you have a great adjustable position. Also, the front of the car, it's a little bit changed. I'm really curious. By the way, guys, you have a few different driving position. For example, driving modes. By the way, you have the normal mode, the sport mode, and you have the eco mode. I will drive in eco mode for the first time. Oh, I like it. I like the pedals, the way they feel. Oh man, I like this feeling of racing car. You sit so well in this seat. Oh man, I love those seats. It feels so good. I feel such a good fitting on those seats. The side support, it's amazing. The acceleration, the steering wheel is super responsive. The car feel stick to the ground, and I like that. The sport car should be like that. And the curves, I feel it's so responsive, and we are in eco mode. Think about how we'll be in sport mode. It is super responsive, and I feel that stickness to the ground. Super impressive. The car comes with 18-inch rims we have on this car. You can check them out on my other video if you want to. It's really impressive. If we go in normal mode, right now we are in normal mode, impressive. The steering wheel, it's a little bit more soft right now, and it's more like driving in the city mode. Quite strange. But yeah, this is kind of a comfort mode. The normal mode is kind of comfort. The acceleration, it's quite impressive, and the sound, it's gorgeous. It's super impressive. And we are 80. You don't even feel when you go 80. Here we have some curves. Oh my god, it's so good. It feels so nice. Sitting on the road, so good. And the car, it's a little bit lower. They make it a little bit lower to the ground clearance, so it will fit, it will go through the air a little bit better. The aerodynamic is better. Here we have some curves. Oh man, it feels so good. It stays so good on the road. So good. We have 90 degrees there, so the engine, it's pretty hot. And I will try to accelerate for you. First time, let me go a little bit air inside, because the windscreen, just like that. And I like the new cockpit, it's so nice. The grip on the steering wheel, it's great. I love it. Also the ambient light, the blue ambient light behind the buttons, it's also gorgeous, and I like it very much. We have 50 here. I have to drive slowly. I don't even feel when the car accelerates over 50, so it's impressive. I like that. That means it's a good quality car. An engine, and the gear shifter, it's phenomenal. I mean, you don't even feel when it's changed the gears. That's really good. We will go in sport mode right now. Let me change the sport mode. You can see the cockpit, it's red right now, and immediately you feel the acceleration. I will turn the car right now here. Also, we have low fuel, but before we turn it out, I just want to go here like that, turn the car right here. All right, you can see the new system, safety system. That's something that I want to show you before in the end. But you can see the new system that warn you when you want to go in reverse. You can hear now that the engine is much more powerful. It's super impressive. Let me drive in eco mode, for example, for a while right now. and then I will accelerate a little bit later, and I will show you also the acceleration in the sport mode. But it is impressive, to be honest. I like the way it feels. It's so sticks so good to the road. It's so sticky, so nice, and the handlings are amazing, guys. It's really impressive. Now let me go in sport mode, and then we will try an acceleration. The engine, it's warm, it's everything is perfect. And here, oh my god, holy shit. Oh, it stays so good. The brakes are awesome. It stays so good on the road. It's phenomenal. The car comes also with the lane assist and all that safety features. The brakes are also great, but the acceleration, it's something blow your mind. I will try to make it from 0 to see the way it feels, but oh man. And in the curves it stays so good. For example, here we have some curves, and you can see the car stays so good on the road, and that it's indeed a really sporty car. We have 0, and then the traction control comes in. Oh, the sound, it's amazing. Oh yeah, I love it. I love it. I love the way it sticks to the ground. It's the tires was slide a little bit, but after all, it takes the control and it's doing a great job. And also the traction control, they control, and it's making a great job. The car, it's amazing, guys. It's just a big pleasure to drive. If you need a sporty car, and think about $30,000 for this sport car, oh man, I wish I have one. It's so fun to drive it. Let's go in eco mode. Right now you can drive in eco mode, economical. I don't know which was the consumption. You can have this energy flow. Their consumption was 50. It's normal to be 50 the way I drive, but if you drive in eco mode, you will get some amazing consumption, because this car, it's made really good. The engine, it's made really good for some amazing consumptions. Also the car can read the traffic speed limit, and phenomenal. I like it, and I like the way it takes the curves. I like the steering wheel. It is indeed a really rally car with a great price. And also the brakes and the pedals, they are so smooth, so soft. It's quite impressive, really impressive. I like it. I think Hyundai did a great job with this new you have auto hold, by the way. Here it's hold the car, you don't have to press the brake pedal all the time. Oh man, the sound when you press the acceleration, it has such a nice pleasure sound. It sounds so cool. Let me go in right now. Impressive, yeah. And the suspension are a little bit stiffer, but enough to give you an amazing driving feeling. So yeah, I think, guys, I think they did a great job with the car. I think they make an amazing job. And if you want to buy this car, you can totally do it without any problem. I guess I finished. That was my test drive, a little bit shorter, guys, but it's enough for me to understand what this car can do, and it's enough for me to see that this is a great deal. And I'm quite impressed to see this price. I don't know why Hyundai sell it at this price. If you want to buy, for example, a Mercedes A-Class that can do what this new i30 N do, I think will be double price or stuff like that. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the test drive. If you want to see the full review, interior exterior of this car, check out on my channel. I have a full review, interior exterior, the trunk and everything. Here you can see it. It looks gorgeous, and you will see all the details, price and stuff like that. Thank you for watching. I hope it was useful for you. Please subscribe to my channel, like it, share it, check out my other videos as well, and thank you again. Stay safe and see you soon in the next one. Bye guys.